beast. There's another one. Hey guys, how you doing? Just a quick vlog this one. Does the hair system fade? Shall I do it like this? Right, I'm going to do it like this for a bit. Go around like that. I've done a bit of colour work, but you know, if you've been following my vlogs, you would have seen that the hair system was blonde and grey when it started. It's crikey, it's getting on now as well, a few months. Doing well this one, yeah, and you can see, looking at that, it's blonde, a little bit grey, and some darker colours around the side, the same as my base colour. All systems fade, guys, alright? Yeah, everything oxidizes. The better the quality the hair, it will not fade as quick. If it's over processed and porous, it will fade fast and more likely go an orange colour. You can see this is quality because it's lifting to quite a nice colour from the previous vlogs back in, crikey, way back now, back in February, for this fitting. February the 1st, day before my birthday. 53rd birthday, come on! Hey, hair systems work. So yeah, all hair systems fade. It's managing it. It's like I've said many times, I always carry this around with me. Jorgen. Always spraying this in my hair. Especially around here. Especially around there. Especially like this. Well, I got a brush here. Yeah, I got a brush. Then I'm mindful of this look. So I'm always getting that blend. And I got this swoosh look here, so I've got to do it differently. And then, you know, I manage it. Leave-in conditioner with sunscreen is an absolute must for a hair system. And keeping these colours around here, 246, the Eras 246 in my world is the most important thing for hair systems that are fading to look good. Colour work, generally, the Asian clients I get, you know, probably have one colour on a hair system because it's dark. My system probably needs 2 or 3 colours during the lifespan of it. The lighter the hair, the more it will need colour work, just the way it is. All these things are manageable. It sounds like a, you know, massive negative to go ahead with this. That's why I sit next to him, right? It's not really a negative, is it? So it's all manageable, and especially with the stylist we got at HQ. We manage hair systems for guys, and we're always educating them, and ladies, you know, so the more people come back, the more educated, the more they can manage themselves and go from there. We got a tick list that we give, you got a customer sheet, forever sending emails for updates, etc. So I said again many times, like going to the gym, you know, you got to keep at it. If you get yourself in good shape, you got to keep yourself in good shape, you know, so it just doesn't stay, unfortunately, you know, you got to work at it. But working at it, this is the great thing about sitting next to the beast, isn't it? You know, I'm saying all these things which are, you know, the YouTubers sit on the fence. I'm not going to do it. You know, it might probably puts them off when they're being so open and honest, and you know, there's a couple of vloggers that are like that, you know, but when you got that there, you know, there's a balance, isn't there? Is it worth it? Learning to cope with certain things with a hair system. Of course it is. So, all hair systems fade. The better made hair systems fade in less, you know, in more time, you know, you need less of a colour on the system. I got caught up in my words then. Yeah, the better the hair quality, the longer the hair colour will stay in the hair system. Okay guys? Right. See you in a couple of days. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.